Before I start, I want you to stay with me for a few minutes. This video is not just a daily routine, it is about patience and waiting for the right moment. Many times in life, we feel tired, we feel slow, we feel like nothing is changing. Earlier, I also used practice like this, slowly every day and with patience. At that time, I didn't see any results. Today, I felt the same feeling again, but I decided to trust the process. I don't know what will happen at the end of this day, but I know one thing. If I stay patient, something good will come. So please don't skip this video. Stay with me till the end. Because the last part of this routine is very special for me. And maybe for you too. Now let me begin my routine. Read and listen slowly, pause after each line and repeat aloud. Speak with me. I am sleeping peacefully. Now I am waking up. I open my eyes slowly. I look at the clock. It is 5 in the morning. The room is quiet. The air fresh feels. I take a deep breath. I feel calm and relaxed. I sit on my bed. I stretch my hands. I stretch my legs. I feel a little sleepy. I smile and feel thankful. A new day had started. I say to myself, today will be a good day. Now I am getting up from the bed. I walk slowly to the window. I open window. Cool air touches my face. I feel fresh. I look outside. The sky is light blue. And birds are flying. Birds are making sweet sound. I'm going to take a bath. After the bath, I wear clean and comfortable clothes. I comb my hair properly and feel ready for the day. I feel confident and neat. Now I go to the kitchen and prepare my morning tea with care. The smell of tea makes me feel relaxed and happy. I sit quietly and drink my tea slowly without any hurry. I enjoy this peaceful time with myself. After that, I prepare my breakfast and eat it calmly. I take small bites and enjoy my food properly. I feel satisfied and grateful after eating. My body feels energetic. Now I decide to go outside for some fresh air and change. I wear my shoes and take my bag. I step out of my house and feel the fresh air again. I start walking slowly and observe everything around me. I see many people on the road walking and talking. Some people are busy and some look relaxed. I feel good seeing life around me. My mood becomes fresh and light. After some time, I reach a place where I meet my friend. I feel happy and excited to see my friend after a long time. We smile at each other and greet warmly. I feel very comfortable and relaxed with my friend. We sit together and start talking slowly. We talk about our life, our daily routine, and our dreams. I share my thoughts and listen to my friend carefully. Talking to my friend makes me feel very good and peaceful. There are many other people around us and that place. Some people are laughing, some are talking, and some are walking. The place feels lovely and positive. I enjoy being there and feel connected to people. After spending some good time, I say goodbye to my friend. I feel happy and thankful for this meeting. I start walking back towards my home calmly. My mind feels light and fresh. When I reach my home, I wash my hands and face. I feel relaxed and comfortable inside my house. I take some rest and think about my day. As night comes, I change into comfortable clothes. I eat my dinner slowly and peacefully. I enjoy my food and feel relaxed. My body feels calm. After dinner, I sit quietly and remember my whole day. I feel proud of myself for going out and meeting my friend. I feel happy because talking to my friend felt very good. I feel thankful for all these moments. Before sleeping, I keep my phone aside. I lie down on my bed and take deep breath. My body feels relaxed and my mind feels peaceful. I close my eyes slowly and fell asleep with positive thoughts. Now don't stop here. Watch this video again and again. Listen to my voice carefully and speak with me slowly. If you make mistakes, don't worry. Making mistakes is okay. If you don't understand today, watch it again tomorrow. Remember, English fluency comes with daily practice. Speak a little every day, practice a little every day. Now tell me in the comments, do you do shadow practice every day or not? Write honestly in the comments and keep practicing. See you in the next videos.